Attending an open day is an amazing way to decide which university you're going to attend. But don't panic. We're going to be helping you along the way so you know what to expect and what you can do to make the most out of your visit. Be sure to sign up for our open days on our website. Watch out for pesky delays. Before the day, check your travel routes to make sure you don't miss out on anything. Plan which courses you would like to see and the potential lecturers you would like to talk to get a full understanding of your course, and our amazing staff who are always happy to help. Make a note of what facilities are important to you so you can make sure you don't miss out on anything. On the day, once you've arrived, you'll need to register with us so we can give you all the relevant information you'll need. Our welcome talks are in the morning. They're about 20 to 30 minutes long. They'll give you an introduction to our university and our teaching staff who will be available to answer your every question throughout the day. Next up, we have our subject sessions where you can properly meet your future lecturers and tutors. Don't worry, you'll be offered guides to make sure you can find your way there. Be sure to ask staff any questions you may have about life at London Met. No question is too small or too silly, so please, ask them anything. Our campuses each have their own personalities and hidden gems, so make sure to join a campus tour to see our amazing facilities and find out what we have to offer. Please make sure to ask our tour guides questions about our campuses and what it's like to be a student at our university. I promise you they'll be able to give you more information than a leaflet ever could. Finding your people at university is a key part of the experience here. Don't forget to check out our societies and paid or volunteer opportunities at our Students' Union to make the most out of your time here. And don't forget to check out our student-led radio and TV show, Verve Radio and Verve TV. There are many other factors that go into life at university. We understand this and strive to help wherever we can. Our student services team will be able to give you advice on money, careers, accommodation, domestic and international admissions, as well as disabilities and bursary options. Our university is split between Holloway, Aldgate, and Shoreditch, which means we are never more than 20 minutes away from King's Cross Station via public transport. Being in central London is a big part of studying at London Met. Surrounded by art, architecture, design, as well as history, culture, and business, there really is something for everyone here. London Met is as dynamic and diverse as the city it's in, so why not come join us at an open day and make us your home?